Hey guys, this is my Whirlpool dishwasher, probably 3 or 4 years old, and the top rack guide mechanism broke. The wheels on both sides is broke. You can see here. It's same on the other side, so it doesn't go well inside and just keeps hanging. I found a replacement on Amazon for $5 each, so I got two. So let's take a look. Okay, here it is. It's sealed, but the cover is not in a good shape. Hopefully this is a universal fit, so I'm going to take the top rack out and try to mount this. This is the new one. It's going to go here. So to remove it, you got to push the lever down here and then slide it down. Slide this down. Once it should come just like that. Here is the old one, new one. Looks the same. Okay, to mount this guy, we do the same thing. You gotta slide this guy down. So push this tab a little bit in, and then slide this down. Just slides like that, and then go in like this. Okay, just like that, and push up. That's good. So let's do the other side. Same process. This one also broke. You can see it here is broke. So same thing. Push here. Okay, comes out like that. One more time. Okay, same thing. Okay, then slide up. That's it. Okay, now we're gonna mount it back. Just slide it around the wheels, and the new one goes in here. Lock it, then push. There you go. So quick $10 fix. Not bad at all. There it is. Not bad. $10 fix. Thanks for watching.